A small hotel in a popular resort has 30 rooms. The manager estimates that 13% of all confirmed reservations are no-shows. So the hotel accepts confirmed reservations for as many as 35 rooms. If more confirmed reservations arrive than there are rooms, the overbooked guests are sent to another hotel and given a dinner. Complete parts A through C, assuming that the hotel currently has 35 reservations. Find the probability that no customer will be sent to another hotel. So, it's a binomial situation because the guests will either show or no show. And now it's up to you which one you want to call as success. And whatever you decide to call as success, your little p will be based on that. So let's say you call showing up as the success. So here it says find the probability that no customers will be sent to another hotel. So no customers will be sent to another hotel if 30 or less customers show up. Because if more than 30 show up, then somebody has to be sent to another hotel because there are only 30 rooms. So the bookings are 35, so N will be 35. Let's open StatCrunch. So stats calculator binomial. So there are 35 reservations. And the probability of so we have decided that we will call showing up as success. So then if we go back to the problem, 13% are no-shows. So that means 8,700 minus 13 is equal to 87. 87% show up. So the probability of showing up is 87%. So it's 0.87 here. And we were asked the probability that no customers are sent to another hotel, which will happen if 30 or fewer people show up. So N is less than or equal to 30. In this case, nobody will be sent to another hotel. So 0.4845. Exactly one will be sent to another hotel. Now exactly one will be sent to another hotel if 31 people show up, because there are 30 rooms, so one will be sent to another. So now X is equal to 31 exactly. So it's equal to 31.1995. Two or more are sent to another hotel. Now, two will be sent to another hotel if 32 show up, but they're saying two or more. So basically, whenever 32 or more guests show up, then two or more will be sent to another hotel. So X now will be 32 or more, which is greater than or equal to 32. 0.316. Fourteen jurors are randomly selected from population of 5 million residents. It is known that 47% of the residents are of minority race. Of the 14 jurors, 2 are minorities. What proportion of the jury is from minority? Now, this part has nothing to do with the binomial. That's just a proportion problem. So 2 are from minorities out of 14. So that's just 2 out of 14. And we see what decimal that would be. 2 out of 14. 0.1429. 0.14. Probability that 2 or fewer Jewers are minorities, assuming the proportion of population that are minorities is 47%. Okay, so 47% are minorities, and we have 14 jurors. So since we're only talking about what's happening to the jury, so jury is the total number of experiments. So n is 14, and we want the probability of 2 or fewer to be minorities, and the probability of being minority is 0.47. So 14.47, 2 or fewer. 14 is n. 0.47 is the success probability. And we were asked 2 or fewer, which means less than or equal to 2. 0.0117. Choose the correct answer below. Okay. So now this is an unusually low number, 0.0117. That's 1.17%. And we know that anything less than 5% is unusual. So 2 or fewer jurors out of 14 of the minority race is an unusual situation. And so it's unusually low given the composition. Okay, it's unusually low. It's not impossible, it can happen. Nothing is, remember, we talked about it very early on. Nothing is 100% sure and nothing is impossible in most situations. It's just unusually low. Okay. So that is it then for this section.